Now that you know how to access the state, I will now show you how to dispatch action from a React component. Let's imagine that our list of books is stored in a database and we need to access the book list from an API. So let's create a getBooks action and then we will dispatch it from our book list component. In books action.js, we add a new action called getBooks. This action will have no payload. It will just request data from our database. In Books Reducer, we will add a new case for getBooks that will return a copy of the state and a copy of the books array from the state. We need to add the initial state, so we can grab it from our app.js, where we also need to comment out the postbook action. Now we can go back to book list and import bind action creators from Redux. And we can import getBooks from our actions. Right after map state to props, we write a new function called map dispatch to props that returns a bind action creators. There is no much to say about map dispatch to props. All magic is done by bind action creator method, which dispatch the action you are passing as an object. In our case is get books. Also, in our case, we are only dispatching one action. If we had more than one action to dispatch, we could write all the other actions following getBooks. Now we can finally dispatch a getBooks. We say that we are simulating an API call to fetch our book list. So the best place to dispatch our function would be component did mount. So we write component did mount and this props getBooks. Now save and refresh, and everything works great. You should be able now to access the state and dispatch action. If you still don't feel confident, you can replicate this in another project. Don't worry. By the end of the course, you will dispatch so many actions that will become natural for you to work with the state.